I've got the new radiator coming for B9. How do you find the stock water pumps handle that plus the aux cooler, considering mine had neither? Is an upgraded water pump a thing coming for much like the B8 platform? Yeah, the factory water pump has no trouble. Even though the capacity of the system is increased, it's not that much bigger. It's totally within the factory fuel pump's ability to pump through this system. Remember, water doesn't compress, certainly not easily. So even though there's more water in the system, the pump is still pushing. The forces on the pump are still relatively even to the factory, despite the, maybe you're 20-30% greater system capacity, but the amount of water that coolant that needs to flow through the pump doesn't change.
Yeah, and your head pressure is probably not changing much at all
No.
to flow through those.
No,
If anything, it's probably opening up a little bit through the radiator, and then you've got a little more
Yeah.
side load or from the side radiator. So it's I don't think it's going to be that much different.
The water pump upgrade for B8 was related more to reliability and functionality. Those pumps just fail, and there was a reason they failed, and they would leak. So the B9s don't necessarily have that same exact problem. So yeah, we've found there's no issue, no need to change or upgrade the factory water pump for B9.
Well, other than the factory failure points that leak it into the wastegate.
The wastegate thing, it's a different type of failure. But you need to address that regardless of the cooling
that has
system.
nothing to do with it.
Even if you just stock.